Hey everybody, it's Nettie, and I just wanted to recap for the 2017 year and talk to you guys about the top 6 lessons that I learned as a newbie internet marketer. I want to make sure that I share these with you guys because it could help somebody along their journey. So, the top 6 lessons that I learned. Number 1 was patience. So I initially got into internet marketing because I was doing network marketing and it just was not working for me. So I was like chasing little old ladies down at the grocery store, having house parties where not many people showed up. And I started to say to myself, there has to be a better way. And I started to look on Mr. Google, and I learned that people were actually online making money, making tons of money. And so I said, well, let me give this a try. Let me take it online and see what I can do with it. So I did that probably in about July of this year. And was putting my information out there, putting it out there, really spamming, okay? And I did not make a sale until August. So in that time, I'm like, oh my goodness, what am I doing? What am I doing wrong? Whatever. It is just a process. It's a process. You will hear people come on and tell you can make goo gobs of money, which you can. But for most people, it will take some time. Just like with any business, okay? You got to put in that work. You got to put in that sweat equity. You got to learn your craft. And these are all things that I had to do. So patience. Then the other thing, number two is surrounding yourself with like-minded people. So when I came online, and really the reason why I was able to get that first sale was because I was able to connect with people who were already doing it. They were already doing the darn thing, a whole community of people. And so I really started to learn at that point how to market correctly online. So you got to surround yourself with like-minded people. Not only did I surround myself with people who knew the craft, but I also surrounded myself in a community really emerged of people who were pushed me on, who cheered me on, who were out there doing the same thing. Some of them knew too, and really, saying, hey, Nettie, you can do it. The other thing is, I really had to learn to, number 3, embrace the word no. Okay? You're going to get told no a lot of times. And I don't want you to give up when people tell you no. Just see no as this. They're saying no to the opportunity, but not no to you, okay? So there's a difference. So you got to do a little disconnect there with the word no. The other thing is, on average, it takes a person 7 times of seeing your offer before they whip out the credit card and actually buy. Typically. Now, there's some people who will see it and be like, oh, I'm ready, But there are others who it takes time of seeing you, hearing your offer. So, know that. Number 4, be diligent. Be diligent. Continue to let the people know what you're doing. Don't be discouraged. Although it can get discouraging, keep at it, and eventually you will see results. Number 5, identify your target audience and speak to them in their language. So for your target audience, you need to know who are you connecting with. Who, of course, you know, you talk to some people and they will say, well, my product helps everybody. And though that may be true, if you're talking to everybody, you're talking to nobody. So you need to identify an audience that you're going to go after. For me, I'm happy to help everybody, okay? But who I really am targeting are moms, some single moms, don't have to be single, could be married, but mothers. You know, I firmly feel that the hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. So if moms are more empowered, they're able to start online businesses, they're able to get more income, they can be more helpful in their families, etc. That's who I'm talking to. So when I'm talking to them, I have to speak in a language, in their language. What do I mean by that? Well, I mean, I need to talk about, you know, their particular pain points. Pain points, what are those? What are they struggling with? What keeps them up at night? How does my product or service, can it alleviate that? How does it alleviate those problems for them? And I need to express that. Okay, so that's another lesson that I learned. And the better that I get, that I've noticed that I've gotten in talking to moms and speaking in their language, the better my sales outcomes have been. Then the other thing is number six lesson that I've learned, guys, is to just be me. Okay? I can't be anybody else. I can't be a cookie cutter version of anybody else. In fact, when I make my marketing and my marketing copy or words, written words, emails, you know, ads sound more like me, I get a better response. So you want to stick out in the marketplace because everybody's out here selling stuff. You know, how are you going to be seen above the rest of the noise? You know, I'm going to think back, some of you might be too young, but there was a guy named Jack LaLanne, okay? And he had a juicer. You know, you can still buy it today. You can find it at Walmart, whatever. And Jack LaLanne, you know, one of the things I noticed when I would see him come on TV, he just was so different. I mean, he came out and he had his little jogging suit on and he would do a few push-ups. This is a little old man, you know, but very strong. And so he stood out. What are you doing to make people remember you? You know, some people, when they see me, they'll say, hey, she has all that funny colored lipstick on, you know, and it makes me stand out. But even more importantly, what value are you bringing to the marketplace? What content are you putting out there? Is your content helpful to others? Okay, is it going to assist them with their pain points? So I hope, guys, you found value in this. If you found value in this particular broadcast, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for the notifications. I hope you guys have an awesome 2018. I know you guys are going to do your very best. I certainly am going to try. Well, I don't like the word try. I'm going to do, okay? And I want you to do it too. Let's do it together. There's enough out here for everybody. And I want to see you guys all at the tippy top. So, but in closing, believe, guys, believe. That's where it first starts. Take action and results will surely follow. Till next time.